Okay, so today I am going to be showing you how to make, sorry it's a mess down here, slime like this, okay? Not the same color, I'm actually going to make it purple, but you can see how stretchy it is. And it's just so fun, okay? And you can use this recipe with white glue or clear glue, okay? So that's the awesome thing about it. So I am just going to be showing you how to, what ingredients you're gonna need. Oh gosh, that's heavy. You're gonna need glue. I'm using clear glue since we're out of white glue here. Oh goodness. Baking soda. Sorry, it's really messy. Contact solution. Sage. And lotion. And then paint to color it. And if you would like, glitter, flown beads, stones. I am going to use glitter. Sorry if I sound like a robot. I'm doing my robot voice. Okay, I'll stop. Now to put the glitter. I got it. Okay. So first, and you're gonna need something to mix it in, and of course something to mix it with. I like to use a spoon. You can use a fork, a spatula, doesn't really matter. But don't use a knife. That's just wrong. Okay, so if you see little flakes in my slime, that's fine. It's just like dry slime from my last slime I made. Sorry, it sounds really weird. I have a cold. Okay, so the first step is you're gonna pour your glue in. I put a lot because I wanted a big batch, okay? Then you're gonna put your soap in. Then you're gonna mix it up. And you can replace the soap with shaving cream. But I'm just doing soap for this one. Mix, 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 mix. Or you can add soap and shaving cream. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so now I am going to add my purple. Because that's what color slime I'm. Okay? So then I'm gonna just mix that in. That is a really pretty purple. Okay, so then I'm using my lotion. I got this from Target. It's scented like lavender fields. It was only $3. Just gonna put it. And the lotion makes it stretchier. So you don't have to use lotion or glitter or paint. Just the lotion makes it stretchier. And you are not going to be able to tell when you put the lotion in. That you put lotion in. Okay, so next, just want to put some contact solution and baking soda in there. And then you want to mix it up. Okay, just gonna mix it up. And you can put as little at a time as you want in there, or as much. Just wanna keep doing that and keep mixing it. See how it's kind of peeling off the edges? That's a sign to just, you want to mix, mix, mix. Make sure all of it's in. Then, whoa, add a little bit more. Okay? See how stretchy that is? Okay. Just added a lot of that so I could see how it's like tearing off the edges into this blob in the middle. Okay, so once it kind of looks like that, you're just gonna wanna take it out. I'm just making sure I get all of it out. And I do have a lot of practice making slime. I've made slime a whole lot. Whee! It stuck to my hands. It is gonna be a little bit sticky when it comes out. But you're right, it's not the end of the world. And you could have added the glitter in earlier, but I just like to get my slime all nice and you know, unsticky, just a little bit unsticky. And over activating it, that's like making it not stretch or spread as well. So then I'm just gonna spread it out. And put my glitter in. Okay, so now that my glitter's in, I'm just gonna fold it over. Purple glitter on purple slime. I'm telling you, I did not do that on purpose. Just so happened to be the glitter I grabbed. And the paint I grabbed for that reason. So I'm just like playing with it to get my glitter in. There's a lot of different ways to put the glitter in. So then if you like spread it out like that, you can make a bubble. That one was horrible. I'm just saying that right now. Don't think I'm crying, I just have a stuffy nose, okay? Yeah, so that's that slime. See if it fits in there. No worries, I have bigger containers. It floated. Okay. And I have also this big slime right here. I did go a little crazy on the glitter. That's only because it's a couple of slimes mixed together. It was originally white, but then it just started to look pink. So I kind of just put some pink slime in there. And I can make a huge bubble if I get a stool. If I can set it up correctly. And then I can spread it out, stretch it. Whoa! Holy moly, I haven't made one that big in a long time. Whoa. Now I got it all over the glue that's, oh no! The iPad fell over because I moved the glue thing that was holding it up. It's the end of the world. It literally got on the baking soda, on the soap, and on the thing that's holding the iPad up. Whoa. to try to make one that big again. Well, that one just looks like a one-sided butt. I don't know why, but this makes me think of donuts. Like the icing and the sprinkles. Ooh, bubble. I'm gonna try to make another bubble. No, that's not gonna work. I just popped it and it was beautiful. Boochie patchy. And that language is called baby. How babies speak. Whoa! No way. Holy moly. I have not made these good of bubbles in a long time. So yeah, I haven't had this big of a slime like since a couple days ago. Because that's when I made it. Have you guys seen Captain Underpants? You know, is he good? Hallelujah, song about Professor Pippi P. Diarrhea Stream Poopy Pants. That's a weird name, Professor Pippi P. Hold on. Professor Pippi P. Diarrhea Stream Poopy Pants. Whoa, no. Why am I being so not smart or stupid? I keep moving the glue thing that's holding it. No! You guys are gonna see blackness again. Whee! Much better. Making another huge slime bubble. Oh, I didn't even touch it. Oh, sorry, that's the ceiling. The iPad fell over again. Did you guess? Ooh, clear slime. I'm finding slime all over in weird places, and it's not even good. Hello, there's my hand. Oh my goodness! Why does that slime spill everywhere? This purple slime that we made. Okay, well, that's it for you guys. Bye, and yes, I will be making a slime smooth.